Alright, let's talk about Deno. It's not Deno, not Deno, it's Deno. And no, it's not a new crypto token. It's a JavaScript runtime that wants to fix everything you hate about Node.js. Made by the same guy who made Node.js. Yeah, Ryan Dahl built a node, then said, oops, my bad, and built Deno instead. So, what even is Deno? It's a secure modern runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript, like Node Reboot, but with cheats code embedded. It got TypeScript built in, ES modules by default, and zero Node modules, and security that actually asks permission before doing shady stuff like reading your files. Shocking, I know. Why did Ryan make Deno? Basically, he was like, yo, I made some bad choices in Node. No built-in TypeScript, security holes, global installs, so he made Deno to be the clean slate version of Node. Like if Node hit the gym, got a haircut, and finally learned TypeScript. Let's rapid fire some features. TypeScript support. No setup, just install. Import from URL, no npm stress. Secure by default, your script won't hack your laptop. No node modules, say goodbye to 300 MBs folder. Built-in testing, linting, formatting. Now the big question. Should you ditch Node and go full Deno? If you are new to backend dev, start with Node.js. It's everywhere. It's stable and every other tutorial uses it. But if you are tired of npm audit fix breaking your app, or you just want to try something clean and modern, Deno worth checking out. So yeah, this is Deno in 2 minutes. Like the video, subscribe the channel for more amazing content, and comment below your thoughts. See you in next video.